Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am showcasing a stunning collection of handmade beaded jewelry design that combine creativity, elegance and timeless beauty. From colorful beads, necklace and stylish bracelet to beautiful earrings and unique jewelry sets. Every design is carefully crafted to inspire your next fashion look or DIY project. Whether you are a jewelry lover or handmade craft enthusiast or searching for trendy accessories for everyday wear parties, weddings, or special occasions, these beautiful beaded jewelry ideas are sure to impress you. Handmade jewelry adds a personal touch, making each piece truly one of a kind. If you enjoy creative fashion ideas and handmade accessories, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing jewelry, embroidery, crochet, or DIY design inspiration. Take care of yourself. Bye.